Other girls, just 5 minutes and we will start. Hello, Lina. Okay, let's start now. At the first, we have a competition for Kangaroo 2022. Let's know, all of you can see the screen, right?
Yeah.
Super. You can speak on Arabic if you need.
Teacher.
What?
So, this is the quiz, but when is the quiz?
No, it's not a quiz. It's online, a competition for a math all over the world, and we will train for it. It's some details about the competition. تفاصيل للمسابقة علشان نعرف إحنا داخلين نعمل. Hi. Okay, the exam will be on Saturday for a grade 6. The exam will be on Saturday, 26th of March. It's gonna be at 11 a.m. for a 90 minutes, so it will end at 12:30. يوم السبت 26 مارس. مدة الاختبار 90 دقيقة من وقت البدء. تبدأ متى؟ 11:11 صباحا. يتكون الاختبار من 10 questions. Each question has 3 marks. Another 10 question, each question with a 4 mark. Another 10 question with a 5 mark. So the total will be equals how many? Who can count? 10 for a 3 mark, 10 for a 4 mark, 10 for a 5 mark. So the total mark will be... what is the best in math?
12.
No. Who? Think. Who will take the gold medal?
120.
Excellent, Joanna. You are Joanna, right?
Yeah. But should we like multiply it? I thought we did to
Not
add.
multiply. Look, it's a 30 question. 10 with a 3, so it's gonna be 30. 10 with the 4, so it's gonna be 40. 10 with the 5, so it's gonna be 50. Let's add. Yeah, super. Let's add. After adding 30 and 40, it's gonna be 70. Super, 70 and 50, 120. Excellent, Joanna. You take the first star today. You will collect how many to get the gold medal? Let me see. Okay, to get the gold medal for a grade 5 and grade 6. For a grade 5, you just need 97 points. I don't look at the silver and the bronze. I just need the gold from all of you. Now, for a grade 6, I need 98, but I need Joanna will get 120. All of you will get 120. Don't lose any mark. علشان ناخد الميدالية الذهبية نحتاج about 90 تقريبا 98 نقطة. فرجاء ما حدش يخسر ولا نقطة ولا نقطة، كلكم لازم تجيبوا الذهبية. Any questions؟ حد عنده أي أسئلة عن الاختبار؟
لا.
أي تفاصيل؟ أو أي أسئلة عن الاختبار؟
No.
Thanks.
But
Okay.
when will it start for grade 5?
Oh, I think 26 or 25. I think it's the same. 25, 26. Yeah, 26 March. And all these details I will send in the WhatsApp group also, so you can know all the details. Any other questions?
No, miss.
Okay, super. Let's start with the first question. Objectives of the competition is to compete between each other on a math, also to be the greatest on math. You will as much as fast to solving all the questions, and you will have more smartest because you make your mind more very quickly. That's the objective in English. باللغة العربية تمكنك من مهارات الحل السريع لتحقيق مستويات متقدمة. We love math, so let's go. The first question, read the question carefully, and after that you can write the answers in the chat box because I will see who will be the first. بحب الأول أشوف الطالب هيحل إزاي عشان أشوف مين فيكم بيفكر إزاي، وأشوف كل واحد فيكم بياخد توقيت قد إيه عشان يحل. ده السؤال الأولاني هشرحه بعد ما أنتوا تخلصوا. I will explain after all of you solving in the chat box, and I will see who will give the fastest and the true answer. Lena, grade 6, I'm waiting. Lena, grade 6. Who solved in the chat box? Just say done.
Done.
Super, let me see.
Done.
I wanted to see who will be the first. Oh, the first is Banan. Clapping for Banan. Excellent, Banan. The second is Ransi. I think, Lena, you write the true answer, but by a mistake you write C. Excellent, Lena. Rima. Joanna. No. Okay. Now let's explain the answer. When I found a question like that, I have my pencil so I can draw. You have a quarter for a circle. عندك ربع دايرة هنا. يبقى أول ما هروح هدور بسرعة. مين اللي عنده ربع دايرة؟ مين اللي عنده ربع دايرة؟ واو دي. أوكي خلينا نكمل نتأكد. من هنا تكملة الشكل بالطريقة دي. Wow, it's gonna be the same. Question E. Any questions? أول ما بشوف أصلا بكنسل A, I will cancel the choice for A because you have 2 quarters and I have only 1 quarter for a circle. Also B is cancelled. C is cancelled. You don't have any quarters. Between D and E, D you have a mistake here because it's gonna be not like this. This. They continue for this shape. So any questions for this?
No,
Anyone has a question? Super. Let's go to the next question. Now, Joanna have a point and Banan has a point. Let me see who will collect the most start today. Now the question written, the competition, you will find the questions written in Arabic and on English. The choices also will be on Arabic and on English. المسابقة بيكون فيها كل سؤال مكتوب باللغة العربية واختياراته باللغة العربية. نفس السؤال بيكون مكتوب باللغة الإنجليزية واختياراته بنفس اللغة الإنجليزية. اختاري الطريقة اللي انت تحبيها. If you wanted to choose Arabic, it's okay. If you wanted to choose English, it's okay also. So now let's read the question. As Amira is walking from A town to B town, she passes the 5 signposts. So one of them is not correct. So which one is not correct? أثناء مشي أميرة من المدينة ألف للمدينة باء عدت على ال5 لوحات، واحدة فيهم خاطئة. عايزين نعرف مين الخاطئة، وإزاي في الامتحان أقدر أعرف إن دي الخاطئة بسهولة. خلينا كده نشوف. المدينة ألف 2 و9، مدينة ألف وباء 3 and 8، 5 and 6، 8 and 3، 9 and 4. Which one is not correct? 3, 2, 1, start. You can solve in the chat box because I will see your answering. If you finish, you can say done. Who say done? Who will be the first now? Joanna has a point. Banan has a point. Who will take the third point? Farida, grade 6. We miss you today, Farida. Who say done?
Done.
Okay, let me see. All of you done? Because I will ask why.
No.
Excellent. Okay, now let me see the chat box. From which question we have? Okay, Rima said D, Ransi. Anyone else? I found only Rima and Ransi. Only Rima and Ransi that I have. Rima and Ransi. Who else? Grade 5, you are greater today. Grade 6, you are sleepy? Farida and Lena, where? Farida and Lena, where? Which one is the mistake? Which one is not correct? Farida,
Does the
what's your
competition
opinion?
will be on
Yeah, the same. Yeah, it's the competition will be online. But now I ask you about this question. Which one is not correct? A, B, C, D, E. From the signposts. Lena, what's your opinion? Which one is not correct? Lena.
Yeah.
What's your opinion? Which one is not correct? You can try, because now you are not in the exam. Now you just try. I will help you how to think in the question. So I need to you, what's your opinion?
I don't know.
Just try. قولي لي بتفكري ازاي. How can you think on this question? أول ما تشوفي السؤال ده تعملي ايه؟ هتكنسليه طيب؟ لازم أعرف هتفكري فيه ازاي. هتفكري في السؤال ازاي؟ الحين انت بالمسابقة بتفكري ازاي؟ From A to B. Farida, what's your opinion? Farida, on this question, you just doing what? How can you think on this question? Just learn me. Rima, what's your opinion about the question? Rima, what's your opinion?
Yes.
What's your opinion about this question? How can you think? Okay, now in math, when I think about the road between the two places, you have a sign, right? You have 5 signs. 4 of them is correct, 1 is not correct. In math, you have always plus, minus, multiply, and divide. One of them you will use here. So let's try. When you add, you will found how many, Rima? When you add, you will found how many?
Add this first.
Yeah. Yeah.
6
When you
and
have
9.
9 and 2 equals,
Oh, that's 2. 9 and 2, we got 11.
excellent. 3 and 8,
3 and 8, 11.
excellent. 5 and 6,
Oh, 11.
8 and 3,
11.
9 and 4.
13.
Now, which one is not correct?
A.
A? Why?
E.
E? Why?
Because it's 14 and all of them are 11.
So from a town to another town, you have the same space. It doesn't get greater or less. From Breda to Aneza, it's about 25 kilometers. So it doesn't change. So from all these signs, you will have the same root. So this is only the different. Now, when I say it's not correct or find someone is not correct, you will found which one is not the same. All of you can speak English, right? Anyone
Yeah.
cannot speak English?
No.
Okay,
No.
super. So if you don't understand anything in
No.
English, you can just tell me. Okay. Now, when I just think about this question, when I just read, I found 5 choices and I wanted to know which one of them is different. So I have in math just 5 signs. You will use always plus, minus, multiply, and divide. Now, to be all in the same, you have to subtract or to uh, add. When I subtract, I found 7, 4, 1, 5, 5. So now all of them different. No, I don't subtract. It's not minus. Now let's try adding 11, 11, 11, 11, and 13. Wow, it's a difference. So it's going to be E. Now you know how to think about the different one. Just use and try. You have to accept this way to solve this question. You have to accept the choices and also you have to try. Any questions about this?
No.
No, Miss. Thank
Okay, let's go to the next question. Freda, you understand?
Yes.
Super. Now let's try the third question. Look, all of this question are with only 3 marks. Now you have this square, you have the gray squares and the white. What's your opinion if you change the places? The gray will be white and the white will be gray. Which one will be the correct one? A large square is made up for small white and gray squares. What does the large square look like if the colors of the white and gray interchange it? Now I'm waiting in
Did
the
you
chat
go
box.
to chat?
Oh,
And
what? Okay, I'm waiting. Huh? Grade 6, where?
I'm done.
Lena, let me see. Hmm.
Teacher, I typed in the wrong answer.
Okay, now if you found the heart, that means you choose a true one. Who take the 3 marks now? Lena, you are the first. Excellent. Rima the second, Joanna the third.
Teacher.
How can I think about this? Yeah.
When I wrote A, I meant to write D.
What's your name?
Joanna.
Yeah, Joanna, I found D, so I give you the heart. Okay, let me see. How can you think about this question, Lena? Lena?
Yes.
How can I think with this question in the competition? Now I have this question. How can I think?
You can just look at
I will make this white, gray, white.
Just draw.
Yep, but I have to be more faster because the last 10 questions is the hardest one. So the first 10 questions, you have to be more quickly. The last 10 is the hard. Try to be faster. Now I found this is the same. This not, I canceled. The same, the same, the same. Okay, let me try from this side. White, gray, gray, white. Wow, it's not white, gray, gray, white. So canceled. White, gray, gray, white. It's okay. White, gray, gray, white. It's okay. White, gray, gray, white. It's okay. Okay, let me see from down. White, white, gray, gray. Wow, white, white. No, it's a mistake. White, white, gray, gray. Excellent. Mistake. So it's gonna be D. What's your opinion now? This is a good strategy?
Yeah.
Okay, any question about this?
No.
No, miss.
Excellent. On the first 10 question, you have to be more faster. Also, you can go to the question and change yours. If you make any mistake on the question, you can go again. Also, you can mark the question. If you found this question as a hard, you will not lose more time. Just make a mark on it and go to the next question. ممكن ترجعي للسؤال تاني لو تركتيه. كمان ممكن تحطي على السؤال علامة عشان ترجعي له مرة تانية. يعني السؤال مش بيتقفل بمجرد حلك. Let's go to the next. Wow, it takes time. Jude wants to bake 24 muffins for her birthday party. To bake 6 muffins, she used 2 eggs. So we have 24 cake. The 6th one, you have to use a pencil and draw. The 6 to 2 eggs. Now, eggs are sold in a boxes of 6 ones. So if you need to buy an egg, you have to buy a plate. Each one has 6 eggs. How many Jude need to buy? At the first, I
4.
have to know. Oh, let's think. And also, you can try in the chat box. The choose is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 8 because you need how many boxes?
No, I sent it to the chat.
No. Try again, Rima.
Sure, I'm done.
Try again. Mashal, we don't try. Try again. Another one.
Teacher, I'm Joanna.
Super. Joanna, what?
Joanna.
Yeah. You don't write anything in the chat box.
No, I did. I wrote
36 is not from the chooses. No, it's not E. Remember, I need how many plates? How many boxes? How many boxes? 24 cakes we need to make. 6 cakes take 2. So now the 24 take how many cakes? The 24 will take how many eggs? The 24 will take how many eggs?
I write in
What?
it. Amran,
Yeah, I
write.
will check in the last. So 24 will take how many eggs? Joanna, what's your opinion to solve with me?
I said
Joanna, what's your opinion? Okay, let's try. Let's try. Now the 6 cake take 2 eggs. So the 24 cake will take how many eggs?
8.
You multiply by what? 8 eggs. Okay, excellent. And now just one box take 6 eggs. So now the first plate will be with the 8 with the 6 and the other plate will take you will take 2. So now how many plates you will buy? You need 8. So the first will take 6 and from the second you will take 2 to make 8 eggs. Now how many you will buy? I don't ask about the eggs. I ask about the boxes.
2.
Read the question carefully. Excellent. It's going to be 2. Rancy, you are the first. 3 points. Excellent, Rancy. Grade 5.
Teacher, I don't
Excellent. Good
understand.
job. Again, let's do this again. Read the question and you will solve with me. Can you read the question?
Yeah. Jude
Okay,
wants
let's
to
read.
bake 24 muffins for his birthday. To bake 6
Okay,
muffins,
now
2
I
eggs
make
are
a mark.
needed. To bake 6 muffins, 2 eggs are needed.
Okay, and now I will stop and draw because sometimes I interrupt. I need to draw. You need to make 24. And you have an known. عندك معلومة في السؤال الحين. في شيء بالسؤال لازم تاخدي بالك منه. 6 cake with the 2 eggs. Continue the question.
To bake 6 muffins, 2 eggs are needed.
Okay,
Eggs are
I draw
sold in
this.
boxes of 6. How many
Wow,
boxes
just
does Jude
wait.
need to buy?
So, to buy an egg, I need to buy a boxes. The question need what? How many boxes? When you found this, make a question mark because you will need the boxes. Oh, so I will count by 6. 6, 12, 18, like this. Okay, let's count how many eggs we need. What's your opinion? For a 24 cake, how many eggs you need?
8.
8. From what we get the 8? From multiplying. It's going to be 6 and 6 and 6 and 6. So you multiply by 4 with the cake and down you will multiply the eggs. It's going to be 8 eggs. Now you want to ask how many eggs or how many boxes?
How many boxes?
Okay, the first box you take 6. Oh, I need 2 more. So I will buy another box. Teacher, but I don't need all of these eggs. Okay, but when you go to the supermarket, you will buy the box. So now, how many boxes do you buy?
2.
Excellent. Now you understand, or you wanted to repeat with another way?
No, I understand.
You understand.
Any questions?
No.
No, miss.
How can I solve this question, teacher? By drawing. If you found a question with more numbers, you can draw. It will be better. Also, on the question, you will found something you don't know and something with full the details. So you have to make them nearest and found. What happened between the numbers? 6 cake will be 24 cake. Wow, we have a change. So the same change will be on the eggs. Okay? Don't forget your pencil and draw. The next question. If you found any questions that you wanted to ask, you can write me in the chat box also. Now, the most question Lena loves. Lena, now you have to flip. But from what teacher I will flip? From two places. Safa reflects the letter F in the two lines. Someone here and another F will be here. Now I'm waiting in the chat box. Which one of them, A or B or C or D or E?
I don't understand the question.
The question that you will flip. So this is a reflect, look like a mirror. This is a reflect, look like a mirror. F will be reflected here and another F will be reflected here, but look like a mirror. So I will give you the hint, but after answering. Now you will flip this F, flip another F. So which one of them will be the true?
Miss, I write it in the
I
chat.
will, okay, we'll see. Joanna, 3 marks, excellent. Lena, 3 marks. Rima, 3 marks. Farida, 3 marks. Mashail, 3 marks. Excellent. How can we think about this? To reflect this, so this line will be here, and this line will be here. So it's going to be F like this. And from here, it's going to be F like this. Teacher, but I need to save my time. I will draw everything. It's an easy question. Can I solve more faster? That I will look from here. Line in the back of F, and this is the down. Which one? No, cancelled. Cancelled. I need one. No, cancelled. Okay, this is true, but this is false. I need one small, so also cancelled. Wow, it's true. Again, you don't need to draw all of this. Also, you have to read the question carefully. The reflect look like a mirror. So this line will be look like a mirror. From reflection, this line will be here, and this line as a small line will be here. Now, without drawing everything, you will just cancel. Look, okay, it's a small, but where is the back? So cancelled. Where is the small and the back? Cancelled forever. Oh, cancelled forever also. No, I need one small down. It's true, but I need one small, so also cancelled. This is true. E. Any question about this? Any questions? Excellent.
No.
Good girl. Super. But for the first session, most of you are excellent, mashallah. Wow. Now you need math. You will play with the numbers. Remember, when you play with the numbers, plus, minus, multiply, divide. Plus, minus, multiply, divide. Just try. Okay, let's read the question carefully. Khalid has several chains of length 5 and 7. خالد لديه سلاسل مكونة من 5 أو 7. Okay, by joining the chains one after the other, خالد can create different lengths. خالد يبي يلعب بيهم فيبي يركبهم مع بعض. One of them is not correct. One of them is not correct. One of these choices is not correct. Which one? When you play with this, you have a chain with a 5, 5, 5, 5. You have a chain with a 7, 7, 7, 7. Also, you can join them. But there is a number is not correct. Which one? I'm waiting.
All of them.
I know. I don't know. You can write in the chat box. Lena, but A, 10 is means 5 and 5. B, 12 means 5 and 7. مشاعل، جوانا، بنان. I'm waiting. Grima, Farida. You can just try and write the points you get, because I will see which one get the more points today. You can try again, Lena and Ramsey. Okay, now we know A and B is a mistake, because I can join 5 and 5, give me 10. 5 and 7, give me 12. But there is a 13, 14, 15. Which one is not correct?
Miss 13, I write it in the chat.
If you write, and this is true, you will find a heart on your name. And this heart means you'll get 3 marks. Okay, so now from 15, maybe I can get 5 and 5 and 5. If I play 14 means 7 and 7. But 13 from what? 5 and 5, no. 7 and 7, no. 5 and 7, no. So 13 is a mistake. So this question means you will repeat. You have to know the multiplication table for 5 and 7. Or you can just repeat 5, 5, 5, 5, 7, 7, 7, 7, or you will add 5 and 7. Lena, you have a question? Lena, do you have a question? Because you put a question mark on the chat box. Do you have any question? Thank you, Lena. Okay, now everyone, I wanted to, with a paper and pencil with you, you will write how many marks you get till now. Anyone has a question about question number 6?
No, teacher.
Okay.
I don't know how many marks I have.
Okay.
Go to the chat box and find how many hearts do you get.
Okay. So every heart means 1 star.
No, every heart means 3 marks.
Okay.
What's your name?
Joanna.
Joanna, I love you. I need to see you with the
Miss-
medal, the gold medal, inshallah.
Teacher, I'm
What?
6 only.
You what?
I'm 6 only.
Okay,
6
we have more questions. Just I will give the gold medal to the greatest marks today. Okay, let's try the another one. Are you ready?
Teacher. When I answered
Yeah.
the 120,
Hmm?
doesn't count. Does it count or
No, it's count also.
So is it 3 marks too?
3 marks too. Okay, let's go to the next. Oh, now you have to draw. You found more numbers in the question. Look, without reading. 10, 5, 22. Draw. You need to draw without reading. Where is your pencil? Where is your notebook? Let's read now. Mariam has 10 sheets of paper. So I will draw a sheet and write 10. She cuts some of the sheets to 5 parts. Okay, so some of them cut into 5 parts. After Mariam cutting, she has 22 pieces in total. How many sheets did she cut? So now in the total after cutting, she has a 22. 22 with the cutting parts and also with the paper sheets. So I will add. Now after cutting, it's a 22. How many sheets does she cut? Look at the choices. 3, 2, 6, and 7 or 8. You can try the choices, but only you have 2 minutes to solve this. So time will be up. She has 10 sheets. She cut the first sheet with the 5, the second sheet with the 5, the third sheet with the 5, but the total after cutting will be 22. So how many sheets does she cut? You can also trying the choices.
Miss, I write it in the chat.
Okay, I will look. I'm waiting.
I sent it in the chat, Amran.
Rancy, Banan, Joanna, try. Lena, what is this? We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, E. If it's C, you write C. Okay, so it's gonna be 6. 6 times 5, 30. But she has a total 22. So it's not true. The total with the paper and sheets, because if each paper cut into 5. So this papers you will multiply with the 5. And this number must be less than 22.
Miss, I write it in the chat.
Okay, we'll see.
Okay.
Clapping for Rima. She is only the true answer. How, teacher? Why it's not B? Why it's not C? Who, Maysam?
Said less, right?
Yep.
So 3 is, if we multiply 3 and 5, we get 15, and 15 is less than 22.
Excellent. But also 2 is less than, because if you multiply with the 5, it's gonna be 10. Okay, but
it's a lot
excellent,
less than.
excellent, excellent. A big heart for you, Rima. Excellent, because now, okay, you have a 10 pieces, but how many left after taking to 8? 8 and 10 is not 22. Now, if you take a 3 papers and cut into 5 pieces, so 15. And after taking 3 from the 10, how many will left? 7. If you add, you will find the 22. Teacher, I'm not understand. Can you repeat? Okay, let's repeat again, but with a great heart for Maysam and Rima. Maysam, you can speak English, right? Maysam, you can speak English? Okay, I will explain with the English. Now, Mariam has 10 sheets. Wow, I found more numbers. I will draw. Where is my pencil? It's here. We have 10 papers. She cut some of the sheets to 5. Sorry, my drawing is bad because I used my mouse. After that, Mariam has 22. So after cutting, the total must be as 22. Now, how many papers did she cut? At the first, I can try from them to multiply, but what's your opinion to trying from here? Now you take one paper and cut to 5, so it's gonna be 9. 9 and 5 is 14. No, it's not 22. Let's take another one. Another 5. So it's gonna be 8. 5 and 5, 10. 10 and 8, 18. No, it's not correct also. Okay, let's try another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now 5 and 5 and 5 is 15. And how many left is 7 because I take 3 papers. 15 and 7, from 7 I take 5 and 2. So it's gonna be 22. Wow, the same. So it's gonna be 3. Anyone wanted to ask about question number 7?
No.
No, Miss. Thanks.
You understand? Okay, so you have 2 ways to solve. A way by trying the choices, another way by drawing from the question. Farida, you understand?
Teacher, how do we get 15 to 22?
If you take 15, that means you cut 3 papers, right?
Yes.
Okay, so after taking 3 papers, how many left? You have 10, and you cut 3, so how many left?
8.
You take
7.
3 from the 10. Yeah, you take a 3 from the 10. So the left will be 7. 7 and 15 equals?
22.
Excellent. So it's going to be 3 papers. What's your opinion about that? You understand?
Yes.
Anyone has a question?
No, Miss.
Okay. The strategy is important to solve. And remember, the first 10 questions with the 3 marks, so it's not hard. Try to save time for the last 10 questions with the 5 marks because most of them were not easy. So try to save time. If you found anything, take time, you can make a mark and go to the next. Let's go to the next question. Wow. Now you can use imagination. On this question that need to color, you can use your imagination to solve. Let's read the question. Hoda colored each region with the pattern below either red, she used red and blue and yellow. She colored regions that touch each other with the different colors. So if they are touch each other, it's gonna be must be different. She colored the outer region with a blue, the outer region with a blue. Sorry, I cannot make this correct, but you understand. The outer is the last circle with a blue. How many regions of the completed pattern are colored blue? Remember, you cannot color 2 with the same. You must have a different. So
On the
now
chat.
the outer, okay, I will look at the chat. The outer is blue, and remember, you cannot make all of them with a blue. Also, you have a red and yellow. Be careful from this. You can make any colors the same touch each other. Try again, Ransi and Farida. Okay, we'll try to color with you. I cannot make this, so I will make this with a yellow. Now I cannot touch yellow. Also, I cannot make this with a purple, so I will make this. Oh, I can't, because if I make this blue, it's gonna be the same. No, I can't.
Miss, you can use pink.
Pink is the same red, but I don't have red. So I will change now. Yellow. But this I will color with a blue. It's gonna be here. With a pink, it will touch here. With a yellow, it will touch here, so I can't.
Start with the red.
Start with the red, but the outer is blue.
طيب.
Who say B?
Miss, I write it in the chat box.
Okay, I will check now.
Miss,
Grade 6, you are the best now. It's gonna be 3. Excellent. But how? Farida, can you explain how you get the number 3?
okay, teacher.
Okay, now you just tell me to color and I will color like you.
Okay. First, the outer region is blue.
Okay, so now I can color this with what?
Red or yellow.
Yellow, okay. Hmm.
And the next one after that can be red.
Here or here?
There.
Next here?
Yes.
Okay, super. And after that, it must be
Red again.
red again here?
No.
This must be blue. Yep. Because if you make this with the yellow, it will be the same. Because if you make this with the red, it will touch it here. So you must make this with a blue. This is the change. And after that, you will make with the yellow and with the red and with the blue. Excellent. And the last will be red. Now, how many blue do you have?
3.
Excellent. One is the outer, and this is the second and the third. Any questions? Anyone has a question?
No. No, miss.
Super. Now you can tell me in the chat box how many marks each one collect. I will give the gold medal to the one who take the most marks.
Teacher, did you?
9. A heart, the one heart means it's a 3 marks. Joanna, 15. Benan, 9. ريما، رانسي، لينا، مشاعل. مشاعل, you come late, so it's not a problem. Lina, 12. Excellent, Lina. And also you come late. If you come more faster, you can take a 3 points. We have a question before you coming. Now all of you
Teacher,
right? I'm waiting. I'm
teacher,
waiting. What?
okay, teacher, did you tell us to count our marks so
Yeah,
let's do math?
yeah, your points. So now the greatest is Joanna. Anyone is more than 15? Okay,
No.
try to be ready for the next. And thanks, Joanna. I take the gold medal today.
Thank you.
And the silver is for Lena. Thanks for your time today. We will start from a question 9 next time. If you have any question, you can tell me in the WhatsApp group. I make this group for our competition.
Bye.
Bye. See
Bye.
you. What?
I said, where's the group?
In the WhatsApp. Just look. Thanks for your time today. Nice to see you. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, Miss.